Hi everybody. So today is Independence Day, 4th of July. But it is raining. I don't know what is happening. Oh my gosh. As I zoom in, there's a basketball over there. Whoa, it is raining a lot. What are you planning for Independence Day? Leave in the comments below. This will be very cool at night. Hopefully to stop raining. It is still raining a lot. Huge amount of rain. The camera is focusing very well. Soon, hopefully this summer, I will be switching to the new iPhone SE first, and then in the future it will be the iPhone upgrade. Mostly iPhone 8 or the 9 currently iX. So hope you guys have an awesome Independence Day special. I'll probably do another video at night for a fireworks show. So hope you guys enjoyed it. So that will be it.